Hi there, I'm Coach Amanda and this is my best pal Logan.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday.
Welcome to Food Tip Tuesday. Today we're going to make Buffalo Cauliflower Bites. Not something I recommend for the little one, it's too spicy. But it's also a great alternative to buffalo wings that might have a little bit higher calories, and this definitely has more fiber. So how do we make these? Simple, 4 ingredients. That's it, 4. Because I'm lazy and I don't want to make my own sauce at home. You definitely can, but there are some on the market now that have zero sugar, zero added sugar, and only 5 calories per tablespoon. And I think I used about 3 tablespoons for this whole recipe. Other than that, you just need cauliflower, olive oil, and salt. So first you want to lay out your parchment paper on your baking sheet. Then you want to put your chopped up cauliflower into a bowl with olive oil and sea salt. Toss that around and put it onto your prepared baking sheet. That goes in the oven to roast for about 15 minutes at 450 degrees. Once it starts to get soft and a little bit brown, you can pull that out and then put it back in a bowl with your buffalo sauce and toss it around to coat it. It then goes back in the oven for about 5 to 10 more minutes. And then you can pull it out just like this.
Get your gloves on. Ah! Oh,
And there you have it. Aren't they nice looking? Your roasted buffalo cauliflower bites. That's all there is to it. We hope you enjoy them, and we'll see you again next week on Food Tip Tuesday.
And I'm gonna eat one. I'm just kidding.
You are?
You want to try one?
No.
Come on,
No.
give it a
No,
shot.
that's too spicy. That's what Mom said in the video.
He pays attention.
Why don't you try? Just a little bit.
No.
All right.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.